today I'm gonna cut my hair shorter. A lot shorter. Goodbye. Oh my god. My magic. Hey, suklay na bungi. First step. Kung na first step, na second step. So may second step ani in town. Oh, basta. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna cut my hair. Okay, parang ang bangs. Bangs, tama na siya. Diba? Yes! Okay, here we go! Cut. Ging, ah! Yeah! Oh my god. Bukay na te. Yeah! Oh! See? Yeah! Alright. Next step. Oh, diba?
Sige lang.
Go! Okay. Dun-dun. Go! Oh! Ay, ganahan ko sa akong hair. Ganahan ko. Diba? Okay. Here we go. Oh yeah. Nice hair. Mula na akong nabuang ani. Para na naloloka. Alright guys. Ano na? Cut. Ganyan lang talaga ang buhay. Sometimes you need to cut your own hair. O, diba? Mas tipid. Ano kayong kalalabasan? This is what you can do to your hair when you're bored. Thanks for watching! Bye-bye! So, this hair, I'm going to donate it to Japan Hair Donation and Charity. Isang NPO na gagawa ng wig for the cancer patients. Kaya ko talaga pinahaba yung buhok ko kasi noon pa man ay iniisip ko na i-donate ko yung hair ko. Kaya ito na. This is for you guys.